how to connect Bitget wallet to Pixelverse. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Telegram app on your device and sign in to your account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over to Pixelverse. Now on Pixelverse, go ahead and click on the start button to be able to start the mini game on your Telegram app. Now this will redirect you into this page. On the sidebar, you'll be able to find this information. Head over to the task section. Now in here, you'll be able to find a few individual tasks along with some society tasks. This will allow you to earn some tips on the application which you can withdraw using your wallet. Click on the top right corner of your screen and click on Ton Wallet. Now a pop-up will arrive in here. Now in here, you'll be able to find all the wallets where you can connect your Pixelverse account to. And click on Bitget Wallet. This will redirect you to a browser where you can select where you want to open this action. So you can do this using the Bitget wallet. This will redirect you to the Bitget wallet app. Now in here, you can go ahead and approve the connection between your Pixelverse account and your Bitget wallet. Enter your PIN code and your Bitget wallet will be connected to your Pixelverse account.